Welcome to Kitchen Alchemy. Have you tried every diet but the weight always comes back? You're not alone. The problem isn't about discipline or which diet you choose. Today we'll talk about the real reason for weight gain, food addiction, and emotional eating. Stay until the end. This could change your mindset forever. Did you know there are 4 types of eating behaviors? Type 1, food is just energy. These people eat when they feel hunger and stop when they are full. Type 2, food provides emotional support in stressful situations. Type 3, food becomes a way to suppress emotions and pain. Type 4, food feels like air. Life without it seems impossible. Today we're focusing on Type 3, emotional eaters, also known as the professionals. Who are emotional eaters? These people know everything about dieting, have had moments of successful weight loss but can't maintain it, often choose extreme and restrictive diets, get caught in a vicious cycle: success, stress, food, self-hatred, new diet, and repeat. Why is it a vicious cycle? Here's the breakdown. You start with a strict diet. You lose weight and experience euphoria. Life gets stressful and you seek comfort in food. You eat one piece of chocolate, then another, and soon you're binging. You feel ashamed, guilty, and blame yourself for having no willpower. You try to fix things by starting another diet, and it starts all over again. But here's the truth. It's not a lack of willpower, it's food as an emotional coping mechanism. What makes Type 3 different from other types? Low self-esteem. Many emotional eaters view themselves as failures if their weight isn't perfect. Black and white thinking. I am perfect when I'm thin. I'm disgusting when I gain weight. Self-criticism. They are much harder on themselves than they are on others. When the number on the scale goes down, it's pure happiness. But when it goes up, despair takes over. This emotional imbalance makes food both a best friend and the worst enemy. Emotional eaters are often highly successful in other areas of life, but struggle with self-acceptance. Good news is you can break the cycle. How to break the cycle? Understand that food isn't the real problem. The issue lies in unresolved emotional pain and stress. Identify your emotional triggers. What situations make you reach for food, even when you're not hungry? Start keeping an emotional diary. Write down your feelings during moments when you want to eat. Find alternative stress relief methods. Physical activity, meditation, creative hobbies, talking to friends or family. Stop fighting your body and start caring for it. Listen to what your body needs. Nourish it with healthy, enjoyable meals. Recognize that you are worthy of love and acceptance just the way you are. Final takeaway. Food should be a source of fuel, not emotional relief. Emotional eating is not a sign of weakness. It's a coping mechanism developed through difficult experiences. The key to lasting weight loss is learning self-awareness and self-compassion, not just following another strict diet. Did you relate to this video? Share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we'll talk about practical ways to rebuild healthy eating habits after emotional setbacks. Take care of yourself, and remember, you're stronger than you think.